Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that essential for anyone who writes spelling correction. Whether you are sending emails, writing reports or even just texting, having accurate spelling is crucial for effective communication. In this video, I'll be showing you the code for spelling correction using Python libraries. Uh, Here I'm using the TextBlob library to automatically correct the spelling mistakes in our text. Let's jump right in. So before we start, um, the first we have to install the necessary libraries the TextBlob we have to install. I have already installed in my Jupyter notebook. If you want to install it, you can use this pip install TextBlob. Okay. Then I'm importing the text blob from the text blob. TextBlob is a Python library that provides a simple API for common natural language processing tasks, including part of speech tagging, non-phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, and spelling correction. It's easy to use and incredibly versatile, making it a popular choice for text processing tasks. Our main aim of using this text blob in this project is to correct the spellings of the text. Now let's take a closer look at the code we'll be using to perform spelling correction. Python script takes a sentence as input. Here a Python script takes a sentence as an input and it splits into text words and then corrects the spellings of each word. Okay. Here I'm defining a function called convert. It is taking a sentence as an input and it is converting and it is splitting into the words using this split function, and then it is returning all the list of words. Then I'm taking an input from the user into this sentence variable. I'm storing it and then I'm calling this function called convert. What this convert is doing means it is taking the input from the user and it is splitting the sentence into words. Next I'm initializing an empty list called corrected underscore words. In this I'll be storing the whatever I have corrected using the code. Then I'll be storing all the corrected words into this list. Here you can see for word in words, I mean for every word in these words, if I have given this sentence, in this sentence you can find some errors. So here you can find this is an error and this is also an error. And what it is taking? It is taking each and every word and it is checking and it is correcting accordingly using this correct function. It is a text blob function. Correct is a text blob function used to uh, correct the text. Then what I'm doing? I'm appending this into this list. I'm appending this corrected words into this list. So let's run this. I want to run from the start. Now you can enter whatever you want. So next I'm printing this original words. Whatever I gave, it will print all these words. Next I'm printing the corrected words. The corrected words are nothing but I can find an error here and also I can find an error here. So it will make changes to this sentence and it will store all the corrected words into this, and after that it is printing this corrected words. You can check here. Then what I'm doing? I'm displaying all the corrected words at a time. Not in the form of a list but in the form of a sentence. For every word in this corrected word, I'm printing, I'm giving this end equal to space because I want the space. So you can see this spell correction code has corrected my errors in the text, and this is how you can use this spell checking with Python. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and happy coding.